Hey you guys, it's Molly. I am going to try a Fiona dip tonight. The spiral dip that she's been doing is absolutely beautiful. So I thought I'll give anything a try. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm using totally different color palette for me. I'm using reds. I'm using a maroon that I made out of red, purple, black, and gold. And a little bit of vermillion. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, I have my little palette. Let me see. I need to zoom in any. So the one thing that I'm worried about right now, I've poured my white down, but I have a ridge from the trash bag that's right there, and I'm worried that that's gonna get in the way when I am doing this. So we'll see how it actually comes out. I don't know. All right, so I'm just using like a little silicone spatula. I left my paints just a little bit thicker than I usually do. Let me see if this will stick down in there. Yep, that's good. And all right, so I think I'll start with, hope that you guys can see that, but it's a maroon that I made. It's really, really pretty. I don't have any little syringes or any little cups to put, to make it into like a distinct line. So just gonna use these little spoons. And for you guys, I reuse all of my plastic, all of my, oh, that one may be a little bit thick. We'll see. Actually, this red's just a little bit thick. Let me thin it out real quick. Okay, perfect. See, I want it to be that consistency where it's just a little tiny mound before it hits the, I don't know. How do you guys think this is gonna come out? I don't know on half my pours. I do on some, the ones that I've perfected. But other ones I'm like, ooh. Gotta experiment, gotta try, right? So I'm going kind of with the gradation here of colors. I don't want to have too much in the middle. I should have done, maybe I can still do, I guess I'll do my gold right there. But yeah, I use these little cups and then I put caps on them so that I can always reuse them. And then when I'm finished with whatever color is in there, the whole thing actually peels out. Maybe I'll be able to show you guys that. But it's actually really useful. Oh, I didn't save enough room for my yellow. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I have two canvases here, so we'll see how the first one turns out. Okay. Just like in my fail, this is exactly how, my fail compilation, this is exactly how Fiona does it, right? So she said touch very lightly to get everything to connect. My canvas is sliding around a little bit. I don't want that. So we'll see. Dips are a little bit hard for me. You guys should let me know in the comments what you guys think of dips. Do you guys have them down? I know there's a couple people's channels that really have them down. I don't know if this motion is helping or making it worse. Okay, I always get nervous for this part. Okay, all right, here we go. I'm pulling up. Pulling up. Anytime now. Okay, not quite a spiral. is it? It's actually a very pretty flower. Just not quite a spiral. Okay. I think that came from my table, or my cloth pulling up. All right, I'm gonna try it again. I have a smaller canvas here as well. I really actually like the way that that came out. I love these colors together. I'm gonna try one more. Maybe my colors were too close together. I don't know. You guys think this one's gonna come out? Fiona, how do you do it? Okay, got my smaller canvas here. So maybe I did too many swipey motions. So I'm just gonna press this time. Uh-oh, I'm pressing all the, oh no. Wow, but that's actually very beautiful. It's just not a Fiona dip. All right, I'll take you down and gosh, what's there is really pretty. And there's that line that I was worried about. So let me take you down and I'll show you what I got. It's very pretty. It's just, yeah, not a Fiona dip. I'm gonna keep working on this one. Dips are my hardest thing. I think it's really, really pretty though. I saw Amanda's designs using similar colors. I was really inspired by that color palette. I don't know, you guys, let me know. It's not Fiona's spiral dip, that's for sure. But I really, really like both of them. Yeah, I'm really liking them. I don't know. So you guys let me know what you think of those, what you think of the colors. I like them. All right. Won't waste any more of your time. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy painting. Bye.